We want to warmly welcome you to what is the opening ceremony, day one of what promises to be 4 exciting, inspirational, and powerful days of the PNP's 79th annual conference.
On occasions like this, we refer to each other as comrades. It is never Miss, Mr. or Mrs. or Miss. It is comrades. This salutation is usually done with a clenched fist, which is a sign of unity and togetherness.
White man, white in his face, met me in Golden Grove Marketplace. And look at the old clothes, brown with stain, and soaked right through to the Portland rain. Cast his eye, turn up his nose.
He says,
"You're a beggar man, I suppose."
he says,
"Boy, get some occupation. Be of some value to your nation." I said, "By God, and this big right hand, you must recognize a banana man."
We decided to home conference in this way because we realized that our message and the invitation from the party must be delivered in dynamic ways. The message is that the people's interests must be at the center of our plans and must drive our agenda. Hence, the theme for the conference is the people's interests, our purpose, our passion.
Hey, hey, you!
you,
Get into my car.
who, me?
Yes, you! Get into my car. Oh, hey! Who's that lady walking down the road? Who's that lady? Who's that woman walking through my door? What's your score? I'll be your sun, shine on you. Hey, Cinderella, get your shoes. I'll be your non-stop lover, give it all you can. Your non-stop miracle, I'm a man. Get out of my dreams. Get into my car. Get into my car.
Let me first of all take this opportunity to personally welcome all of you to this, the opening session of the 79th annual conference of the party. I need not add that I feel particularly privileged and honored to be attending my first annual conference as president of the party.
In this body, we all invest. Now in this body, we'll be laid to rest. Sweet Lord Jesus, my mama said, when she kneeled down and she prayed, I asked Mama, what is faith? Is it just believing in a better day? She said, son, don't be stuck in your ways. Just remember, don't be a Just remember, you got to be brave. What stops us from treating to a single domestic space in transport? Last week I was in the Grenadines. It is 27 miles from Union Island to St. Vincent. And it is 140 EC dollars to travel by plane from Union to St. Vincent. It is 45 miles from St. Vincent to St. Lucia, but it is $1,100 to travel from St. Vincent to St. Lucia. Twice the distance, but almost 8 times the price. Barbados to Bequia, 100 miles, no more than 3 to 4 times the distance of Union to St. Vincent, but 1,500 EC to travel between the two. Same plane, same passenger system, same reservation system, same diesel, jet fuel. Something has to be fundamentally wrong when a region cannot provide the political commitment to allow its citizens to move easily. And what happens? Bequia is shut down. There's no traffic. The average Caribbean person will not be able to afford 1,500 EC dollars to move from Barbados to Bequia. It is cheaper for me to go to Miami and New York than to come to Jamaica or St. Kitts. It is madness. And if I ask myself, but if we don't have a single domestic space for transport, can we get it in communication? Why is there not a real-time news network that allows me to see from Kingstown to Kingston? But I can see what goes on in Iowa and what goes on in Texas and how Irma is decimating the Keys, but I really still don't know how it has decimated Tortola and BVI or St. Martin or Barbuda. Something must be fundamentally wrong.
One good thing about music, when it hits, you feel no pain.
Alright.
Sweet Jamaican music, when it hits, you feel no pain.
Come on.
You live the life you love, you love the life you live. Everything you have in mind, Jah will give. Oh,
Again.
greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin. Oh,
Again.
greetings I bring from Jah to all ragamuffin.
Hey, who love Jamaica? Who love Jamaica? No, I'm dreaming of a new Jamaica. A land of peace and love. Some say they cannot see no hope. That's why they leave this land. But I know without a fear. And that's why I sing this song. Come along, listen.
All who believe in love, sing this song with me.
Everybody, listen.
All who believe in love, sing this song
What
with
you
me.
know? Sweet Jamaica.
Knowledge,
Me aki and the saltfish. Roast yam and banana.
knowledge.
We had a good start last night. Everyone was not there, but we had a very good opening session of conference last night, which gives us an opportunity to once again establish that we are a party committed to the culture and the national identity of Jamaica, and that we are part of a national movement that includes the cultural workers, the musicians, the artists, the intellectuals, and all the other elements of the society who are committed and who are patriotic and who believe in a better Jamaica.